So we're here at Double Cut.
Double Cut in the Kalahari.
Yeah, so it's sponsored by Master of BlackJack Channel 3. So yeah, don't forget to mention Master of BlackJack. So yeah, make sure you guys follow and subscribe Master of BlackJack. And yeah, this is a really good place. It's in Wisconsin Dells. So.
And by sponsored, she means.
What?
He paid for it? You said we're supposed to say that. So, here in Wisconsin, there is a tradition, or you could call it two traditions. I don't know. I call it one. Friday night fish fries and Saturday night prime rib. It's Saturday night here in Wisconsin, and I'm getting prime rib.
Master of BlackJack.
He paid for it.
Master of BlackJack.
I ordered a chimichanga.
Yeah.
I ordered a chimichanga.
Yeah.
He paid for it.
Master of BlackJack. Master of BlackJack.
I ordered a chimichanga.
Yeah. Master of BlackJack. Yeah. Yeah.
He paid for it.
Yeah.
I ordered a chimichanga. BlackJack, what do you think? I think she needs to take a challenge.
Subscribe.
We're at the Double Cut in the Wisconsin Dells. One of our favorite restaurants that we like to go to.
Yeah, because we did the anniversary last year, right?
Anniversary here. It's a very nice place. It's cold out here in Wisconsin. It's in the 20s.
It's winter. What do you expect?
Haven't had the prime rib here yet. Normally, when you do prime rib on a Saturday night in Wisconsin, you go to like the pubs or the taverns.
Okay.
The small restaurants, the mom and pop places. Those make really good prime rib and really good fish fries. So, what we found out is that this bread is an Asiago focaccia.
Or whatever the name is.
Whatever that means. But it's really good. Like really good. And I feel guilty if I eat the whole thing. But it is really good. It's freshly baked. Oh yeah, it's warm.
It's so yummy. I can smell it from here.
Yes. Ah. Ah! That's good.
So what is that?
It's a Clint Eastwood. I figured it'd be more manly.
Okay.
With a name like Clint Eastwood. But we'll see how it is.
It's red-ish. So red.
Cherries.
Yeah. It's good?
It's pretty good.
I'm just afraid about the big portion that they're going to give.
Another tradition in Wisconsin? Take home doggy bags.
He demonstrated how he got Oliver to reluctantly step in.
And it worked great. I mean, he didn't squirm or anything. He just hung there while I clipped his nails.
Yeah, this plate's a little warm. Be careful. Ooh, anything else for us right away? No, that'll be...
Ooh, what is that?
That is 12 ounces of pure heaven. Prime rib. Oh, that's hot. Garlic mashed potatoes. Apparently I'm supposed to eat it all within 5 minutes, which is sacrilegious.
Because you gotta enjoy it.
I want to savor it.
I know, right?
But she's going to take a bite, so the rest will be all mine.
So, the clock is not start yet.
Okay, go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Just hit the damn button.
I did.
You don't have to count down. You're wasting my time here.
Shush. Don't be grumpy old man. It's just 5 minutes. You can do it.
But I won't get to savor it.
I know. You have 4 minutes at it. 4 minutes to go.
I don't want this to be like John Candy in the Great Outdoors, the old 96er.
What's the old 96er?
Oh, that's our world-famous Paul Bunyan's Blue Ox steak. It is a 96-ounce prime-aged beef steak. And if you or any member of your party orders the old 96er and finishes, everybody eats for free.
Not bad, huh? How about you, Chet?
People seem to like that. Yes?
I'll try it.
Okay, great.
There you go.
Yes, you do eat the fat too.
Yep. Well, half of minutes. So you have like the times. I think I should make it 1 minute instead of 5 minutes. Then you cannot devour it. See, almost done. See. One bite, and then it's just done. He eats super fast. Are you gonna count this?
No.
I supposed to.
No.
Then it will be impossible.
No. You said just the prime rib.
Oh, damn. Damn.
Not including sides.
So, yeah, he done at, I forgot, but...
It was like just under 4 minutes.
Yeah, he did it, guys. So, yeah.
They'll be telling their grandkids about this. Oh boy, what a night, huh? Where's he going? Boy, I'll tell you, that Jimbo's not bad guy. I just had a word with him.
It's all gone. It was delicious. I'm full. I'm probably going to regret eating that much that fast.
We have something to eat.
And then, what is this?
Hold on, Alex.
Wow.
No, it's no one's birthday today, so.
Take that bite.
I think it's
You got 5 minutes to eat that whole
no,
thing.
No.
5 minutes.
No, it doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
No, the prime rib is what
You got to do one too.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay,
This is crazy. This big? I didn't know it's gonna be that big. I will fail.
All of that in 5 minutes. Then fail. But at least you take the challenge.
No, this is for all of it. This is for all of it.
So we got 5 minutes, all of us, to finish that.
Then we're not going to enjoy it. Okay, this is supposed to be like you.
Oh no.
You enjoy it.
Oh no. I didn't
Let's
get
just eat it.
I didn't get to savor my prime rib.
And that's your problem.
Uh-uh.
All right, let's just eat this, okay? With slowly. So I would rather take the challenge of 5 minutes eating ice cream. I don't know.
That's weak.
I have,
All right, do it. I want to see that. I want to see that brain freeze.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Hold on.
Let me set this down so I can enjoy the cake.
Start. Okay. 5 minutes. It's supposed to be you.
Step it up.
God damn it. 4 minutes ago.
Oh no. What's going on? I got that brain freeze. Oh man, the you do? You ain't got no brain freeze. Hey, dude, relax, man. That will pass, man. Calm down.
Thank you.
I can.
Yes, you can.
And he passing. It's not passing. It can't be intensifying, dog. Come on, man. You said you from the hood, dog. You acting weak right now with this brain freeze.
Oh, it burns. But it burns. Oh my god. Okay, I have 3 minutes left. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, it burned.
Come on. Ain't no brain freeze gonna make you yell like that, man. Get over there. Don't be hitting your head with the brain freeze. Come on, it ain't.
It feels like it's like burning. Like frostbite burning inside your mouth. Very cold.
This thing's been recording for 3 minutes 50 seconds.
I can't swallow.
You gotta hurry up. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Done.
All right, it's done at 3 minutes 46 seconds.
I win.
Well done.
Hashtag Leida always win. It's really good. It's a really good place. It has really good ratings as well, and it's amazing. The service is really amazing. The foods are amazing. So,
Oh yes.
All right.
I ordered a chimichanga.
Yeah.
He paid for it.
Master of BlackJack.